Yes, that is my Angry Birds shirt. I think it's awesome. See? Really cool, huh? Okay. Today I have a book review for you, and like I said, I told you guys I had a lot of book reviews to do for you. The book I'm going to review for you guys today is The Immortalists by Richard Denny, and like always, I'm going to read you guys the back of the book, and I hope you guys enjoy. When a hooded girl shows up at Rowan Burton's front door on a snowy and windy night, Rowan finds himself in a life-altering race to save the girl's life before two sinister wizards come to claim the girl for their own. Okay, this review is going to be a bit glowing. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit heads up. Oh my gosh, this book was so freaking good. I gave this book a 5 out of 5. And if I could give any more stars, I would. I would give this like freaking 15 if I could. This book was so good. I read it slowly. I read it in 3 days, and for a book that's only 84 pages, I did read it slowly, and I did it on purpose because the second book is not out yet, and I really wish it was because, like I said on my Goodreads review, it will leave you longing and begging for book 2. It kind of ended a bit abruptly, but I didn't care. I loved it. I love the characters. I love the world that this book is set in, and I think anybody can just absorb in that world and just be and just love it because I could not stop thinking about this book for all 3 days that I was reading it. I read this book in 3 days, and I really do like this cover. I like the skull in there and the candle. And on this part of the book, the candle's on that side, and then on the back, it's on the reverse side. So, I bought this book for $4.99 on Amazon, and it was worth every dollar I spent. So, and I want to show you guys what I really do like about it. Hold on, this is a second. It's the beginning of each chapter. It's not wanting to be fun. It has that little skull little thing. And the text I found to be quite refined, which was also awesome because it does take you a little bit longer to read each page. But yeah, oh my gosh, guys, highly recommend you guys go and get this book. But anyway, the book follows Rowan, and Rowan Burton, he lives with his grandfather because his parents have passed, and oh my gosh, I loved his grandfather with the sarcasm at parts and just, what the hell are you doing, you know? Oh my gosh, the beginning. And the book starts off boom, boom. It introduces so much. It fits a ton in just 84 pages. Which I was actually upset it was only 84 pages, but I loved it. It follows Rowan and Ever, which is the little girl, and she is a immortalist. And what a immortalist is whoever drinks her blood can live forever and cannot die. I thought that concept was very interesting, and I've never heard of anything like this before. So, but oh my gosh, Richard, you gave this one so much thought, and the character building was amazing. The world that you set this book in is so amazing. I would absolutely love to live in this world. This would be at least your life would never be boring in this world. So, I highly recommend you guys go and pick up this book. I don't want to tell anybody really what it's about because it is such a short book, and it was so amazing. So if you guys want a little bit more in-depth review, go check out my Goodreads review. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys how much I absolutely adored this book, and it's a highly recommended read, and this is the first in the trilogy. The second book is called Fateful, and I'm hoping it comes out this year. If not this year, hopefully in January. So this is my review on The Immortalists by Richard Denny. I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday, and I will see you guys next time with another review. All right, bye.